he knows that whatever the doctors may say, that is going to extend your life or prolong, go in the remission, whatever it is. Okay. The time that is for his death is not going to change. Now, are we telling him as, physicians or, as healthcare practitioners, that if you take this therapy, for example, you'll extend your period of time in life? Okay. Are we telling him that, it may be cured? Okay. Are we telling him to go in remission? Okay. Are we telling him or her that, maybe if you give that extra time, another treatment would come that may cure it? For example, we don't have the treatment today, but many things are in pipeline of research, and down the road, maybe there's something. He says that in any instance, even if his cancer is cured, his life is only what is it? It is. It's not going to increase.
But the similar, this thing can be taken the other way as well. If somebody goes onto the 100th floor of some building in Manhattan and jumps off, saying that,
But that's suicide.
That's even if I wanted, my time of death would not be changed. So if that's my time, I would die, right? So and he jumps off. So
yeah, maybe he survives or he dies.
He survives or he dies, but
But that is asking for suicide. Okay. Is this person, by refusing the treatment, asking for suicide?
But if the person's time was not fixed to die at that time, even if he tries, would he die?
That's accidental death. Okay. There are deaths which are natural deaths, and there are deaths which are accidental deaths. Okay. And there is a lot of philosophical discussion on these two.
But if somebody dies in the accident, I believe that his time was fixed. For
is it that his time was fixed, or is it a matter of someone else's that did to him? For example, you were walking the street, and there was a gunfight going on. A stray bullet hit you, or me, or anyone else. Okay, was that our time? Okay, or we were just a part of what happened? Okay. Of course, the perfect knowledge is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Prophet and the Imam. But we come through tradition, for example, a person's death is appointed. Okay. Beautiful episode from the history of Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Okay. Prophet Isa alayhi salam was passing through a street, okay, with his companions. And from a house, okay, there was sound of music and merrymaking and all that, God said, a marriage has taken place today. Okay. So Isa told his companions, okay, that today they are merrymaking, tomorrow they will be crying. Okay. The companions said, okay. Went their way. As was their course, the next day they passed, and still there was merrymaking. There was no crying. Okay? So the companions asked Isa, you said yesterday that they'll be crying today, and they're still merrymaking. Okay? So Isa said, okay, let me speak to the bride. Okay? He was known, so they told the bride to come. Jesus asked him, did you do anything good last night? Nothing good, Remember anything? Finally, he said, I was sitting in my room waiting for the groom to come. Okay? And I heard a beggar crying for food. No one was paying any attention, everyone was very. But from the window I could hear, his cries. I opened the window, summoned him closer to the window, and from the ample food that was on the table for both of us, I gave him some. Okay. And he went out praying for me. Isa said, can I go to your bedroom where you were? The groom was also there, the bride was also there, okay, as companions of Isa were also with him. Went to the room. he told the groom to lift the mattress. The mattress was lifted. And lo and behold, there was a cobra black snake there. Okay. And he said, this was your fate, your death. Okay. A good deed from your wife saved your life. Okay. A sadqa, Sadqa is something that saves the life also. So death was appointed, and that was the time of the death. Okay. Does the death change? Okay. From good deeds? It does. Okay. So this becomes very grainy issue that, when, for example, a person would say, listen, I take out sadqa every morning. Okay. When the time is coming, I'm dying. Okay. If a believer is there. Okay. For him, the issue of sadqa, or, other khairat, other things in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is an insurance policy against, a death that is accidental or a death which is, not destined for him otherwise. Okay. A person is walking in the street and suddenly a car jumps the curb and hits him. The person was only 24 years old. He was in Miami. He was one of our, friends. The son of my brother's partner, and I recited his nikah, he was very close to me. Okay. He was crossing the street, okay, on the crosswalk. He was not, jaywalking. Okay. And a car, crossed the red light curb from the other side, car speeding and hit him. Okay. Died on the spot. Okay. Was the death meant that way? Well, these are, some issues for which we don't have any exact answers. Okay. Is this accidental death, real death? Okay. Natural death, as we would call it. That's the way Allah wanted it. Wallahu alam, wallahu alam, wallahu alam. Okay. So, it's difficult to... But again, going back to that issue of a person refusing treatment. Okay. Should a person refuse treatment? He should not. Does he have a right to refuse treatment? Yes, he does have. Okay. But that right of refusal is between him and his Lord. Okay. Because as you said earlier, the body is whose? Yours? No. It is Allah's. Okay. You are the custodian of the body for the time being, from your birth till your death. That's all. It never belonged to you, it does not belong to you, and it will not belong to you. It is God's. Okay? It is Allah's. Okay? So it is between him and his Lord. Okay? That whatever he makes that decision, that's between him and his Lord. Okay? Now, a person comes. That was, I think, the second question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So the second question, and we still have to work on the first one.
Yeah, the first one. Does a person make an advanced directives of DNR? Yes, he can make an advanced directives. Okay.
Do we have any examples or references from Quran, Hadith, or any fatwa or any historical event that that can also help us?
Since these questions did not arise in those times, okay, in the way that they are today, okay, so we really don't have any historical, episode to, go by, but the general directive that a person does not know when